Hello everybody and welcome to the start of week 4 of the Project Management Laboratory. This is very exciting. Think about it. You've put in a lot of work so far, and when this week is over, bam, we're halfway done. I think that's exciting, and hopefully you've learned a lot. You will either lead projects or be part of projects for the rest of your life. This is very exciting stuff and things that are very useful in the real world, regardless of what profession you go into. So I want to make a couple of points. The quizzes are generally covered during the lecture, subtly. So listen to the lecture, make notes, and the quiz material is generally offered there. Though the readings, especially Rita's book, enhance the quizzes a lot. This course is meant to combine both the language and the philosophy of project management that is needed to be successful in your future career field. Whether you're a project manager by name and trade or you're working on a project, all of us will be in those capacities at some point, and most of the time. Most of what we do are in essence projects. So this is very valuable information. So I've built the course on a increasing scale of difficulty. The assignments are fairly easy, and that's about defining the terms and seeing the context, the documents you would use them in, as you learn to understand the language of project management. Then we have discussions, which apply the material in a fairly straightforward way, but I ask you to just tweak it a little bit, do a little bit of critical thinking. When you ask a question of other students, try to answer it yourself by creating some sort of hypothesis. I think is very valuable. And that's really all that's required. Multiple answers in the discussion boards, which means back and forth exchanges, and apply some critical thinking to the work you've done. After that, we have the simulator, which is also fairly straightforward, but it gives you a practical application of project management. And the quiz is, frankly, 3 or so questions, fairly easy too. After that, we have the paper, which is very short. And we took the time to think about topics that interest you or that you could use in the workspace. Then we developed a thesis together and a quick outline, which can be modified at your leisure as you do continued research and modify your paper. And then if you just take the material we've learned during the week and use that and reference that to write about a half page to a page a week, double spaced, very easy. You'll end up at the end with a substantive, easy to review and submit paper. And then afterwards, the quizzes. The quizzes are the most challenging. Again, I try and cover them in the lecture the best I can. Rita's book is a key to doing well on the quizzes also, but the PMBOK guide is helpful too. And I hope that you enjoy week 4, scope management, and let's do it. Okay? Write or call if I can be of any assistance, as many of you have had, and I've enjoyed the exchanges. Thank you.